Hey everyone, welcome to today's recipe video. We are making a quick, healthy and absolutely delicious green beans and shrimp stir fry. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner, so let's get started. Here I've taken a bunch of green beans. So I've trimmed the green beans here. Here you can see half onion, finely chop it like this, then garlic cloves, and these are cooked shrimp. Now I'm going to cook this in a clay pot. This is also called earthen clay pot, earthen pots. It's very good. It has its own benefits of cooking in clay pots. So I have put coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to pair this green beans and shrimp with this dosa. It's like a rice pancake, and the rice batter is prepared by fermenting it. It's another recipe, but I'm going to share this recipe today. So let's see. Here I'm going to add the basic spice powder that we add: turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. Give it a good mix. Now we're going to add this shrimp. It's frozen cooked shrimp. These are like baby shrimps that we get in Kroger. I'm going to add green chilies here. This is optional. It's for a little spice though, but it doesn't add too much spice to the recipe though. Here I'm adding black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. It's a very simple recipe but very tasty. Now we will add this green beans that we trimmed to this shrimp. The clay pot is a traditional way of cooking in our state. We are from Kerala, so most of the part in other places in India also cook using clay pot. So this is it adds an earthy aroma and enhances the flavors very beautifully. Here I'm adding all spices. That is the spice we bake with a lot of dry roasted spices that I grind together. It's very flavorful. I'm going to put this spice powder in my store very soon, so keep checking out the website, that is theremysworld.com, for the new upcoming spice masalas that I'll be adding soon. So this is the rice pancake that we made. I'm going to pair this with green beans and shrimp. So as we are cooking a frozen shrimp here, so it releases some water. Once the water is dried, here you can see it's nicely cooked. The spices, everything is well combined. It's not spicy, it's not heat or hot, but yes, it has very nice flavor in it from all the roasted dry spices that I put in this. It brings a very rich flavor, and also it's cooked in clay pot. Altogether it's a very good recipe. Try it out, guys. That's it. A simple and flavorful green beans and shrimp recipe cooked in clay pot is done, and it's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes like this. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.